Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. In today's video, I'll show you on how to report a scammer on Xianyu or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Xianyu app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to your chat box on Xianyu. Get into your chat box right here. Then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select a particular seller that scam you. So for instance, if I'm going to use this particular seller as a case study, so go ahead and click on the chat link between you and the seller. Having opened up the link, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three dot from the top corner. Then go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and click on here. Now you are here. So if you do not understand Chinese character here, you have to make sure you translate. And for that, go ahead and make a screenshot of this page. Then exit from your Xianyu app. Go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Go ahead and click on this camera icon. Upload your screenshots. Select translate. Then you have detail right here in English language. Then you can zoom out. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on here. What should I do if I get blocked by someone? So go back to your Xianyu app. Click on this first one right here. Then you have another article right here. Go ahead and make another screenshot. Go back to your translate with Chrome. Upload the new screenshot. Then here you go. How to report a scam, which is the second in line. Go back to the chat with the support right here. Go ahead and click on here, which is the second, how to report a scam. Wait for the article. Now you are here. Please select the order you want to check. You will need to select the order that you got scammed with that particular store. Once you get here, select the order and follow the prompts. And make sure you screenshot your proof of payment, your chat with the supplier, everything. Make sure you attach it to your report right here. And your report will be attended to within 24 hours. And you will definitely get your money back, provided that you make payment on Xianyu app with your Alipay. It's that simple. If you still have questions for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. Or better still, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp if you still have any issue as far as your Xianyu Chinese shopping app is concerned. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.